वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा।
Next we have Arnav Surve, Omkar Vaidya, Advaya Khobre, Ved Savan and Mihir Yadav. They have created their image of Ganpati Bappa in so many different forms. Let's have a look at them.
प्रथम तुला वंदितो कृपाळा, प्रथम तुला वंदितो कृपाळा, गजानना गणराया, प्रथम तुला वंदितो कृपाळा, प्रथम तुला वंदितो कृपाळा, गजानना गणराया, प्रथम तुला वंदितो कृपाळा, प्रथम तुला वंदितो। विघ्न विनाशक गुणीजन पालक, विघ्न विनाशक गुणीजन पालक, दुरित तिमिरहारका, दुरित तिमिरहारका,
सुखकारक तू दुःख विदारक, सुखकारक तू दुःख विदारक, तूच तुझ्या सारखा।
वक्रतुंड ब्रह्मांड नायका, वक्रतुंड ब्रह्मांड नायका, विनायका प्रभुराया, प्रथम तुला वंदितो कृपाळा, प्रथम तुला वंदितो कृपाळा, गजानना गणराया, प्रथम तुला वंदितो कृपाळा, प्रथम तुला वंदितो।
That was so wonderful. Indeed, Bappa resides in each one's hearts in his own way, and he is our own dear friend at all times. Now we have Sharayu with her melodious voice to lift up our spirits with Mogara Fulla. For that, let's have a look at the beautiful and intricate drawing of Sri Ganesha that she has created. Sharayu also excels at making jewelry, fabric painting, and envelope decoration, and along with her mother, she runs her own enterprise as Disha Creations. Over to you, Sharayu.
ओंकार प्रधान रूप गणेशाचे, हे तिन्ही देवांचे जन्मस्थान। ओंकार प्रधान रूप गणेशाचे।
Thank you.
It was such a refreshing and soulful performance, and just like the fragrance of Mogra, it has really refreshed our hearts. Now we have a energetic and dynamic performance by Soumya, who is all set to rock the floor with Sunaganpati Bappa Moreya. He's also a very talented artist and he has created an interesting Ganesha out of fruits. So let's have a look at it.
हे गजवदन हे गजवदन वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय
डिफिकल्ट समस्या का कुछ समाधान दो, चिंता का विषय है बप्पा, थोड़ा सा तो ज्ञान दो। डिफिकल्ट समस्या का कुछ समाधान दो, चिंता का विषय है बप्पा, थोड़ा सा तो ज्ञान दो। भोले ना करे दरवाजा खोले, दुनिया के अंदर लगी है मुझको मैं भोले भोले। कुछ समझ नहीं आता मुझको मैं हंसिया रोरिया, कुछ करो कुछ करो कुछ करो हाजी कुछ करो, सुनो गणपति बप्पा मोरया परेशान करे मुझे छोरिया। तेरे सिवा कोई नहीं मेरा इस जहान में, तेरे चरणों में रह के हुआ है जवान में। तेरे सिवा कोई नहीं मेरा इस जहान में, तेरे चरणों में रह के हुआ है जवान में। दिल नहीं दिया है दिलाई है कुछ चाहते तो किस बात का डर है, पूरा इनोसेंट थोड़ा ऐसा भी कुछ नहीं खबर है। कभी मैंने रखे हैं तेरे भजन, कभी तूने सुनाई लोरियां। कुछ करो कुछ करो कुछ करो हाँ जी कुछ करो,
a great performance, Soumya. I'm sure all of us were tapping our feet and dancing on our chairs too. Let us now welcome Darsh. He's going to play the classic, our favorite, Ye Raatein Ye Mausam on the keyboard. Darsh is very talented in music and on the keyboard, as well as he sings and dances very well. He is looking forward to take up music as his profession later. So let us hear you, Darsh. That was so melodious, Darsh, and we really wish we could go on and on listening to this beautiful melody. Now let us welcome Aniruddha. Aniruddha is here to amaze us with his performance of Hey Lambodar, Hey Gajmukh. Aniruddha loves to sing, play tabla, and is an expert at cooking too.
लंबोदर गजों का मेरे मोरिया मेरे मालिक मौला मेरे मोरिया कैसे तेरे गुण को गाऊं तुझ बिना बता रहने को कैसे तेरे गुण को गाऊं तुझ बिना बता रहने को बस मौला निकला मेरे मोरिया मेरे मालिक मौला मेरे मोरिया हे लंबोदर गजों का मेरे मोरिया मेरे मालिक मौला मेरे मोरिया तू ही तन मन तू ही जीवन तू ही मेरे दिल की धड़कन तू ही तन मन तू ही जीवन तू ही मेरे दिल की धड़कन तू ही तन मन तू ही जीवन तू ही मेरे दिल की धड़कन तू निरंतर तू ही धरती तू ही अंबर तू रहम का साया जग पर तू ही धरती तू ही अंबर तू रहम का साया जग पर जहाँ भी देखो तेरे नजारे कुछ रोशन चांद सितारे जहाँ भी देखो तेरे नजारे कुछ रोशन चांद सितारे तेरे कारण सांस मेरे कारण मोरिया हे लंबोदर गजमुख मेरे मोरिया मेरे मालिक मौला मेरे मोरिया हंसते गए सागर की धारा तू ही कश्ती और किनारा हंसते गए सागर की धारा तू ही कश्ती और किनारा हंसते गए सागर की धारा तू ही कश्ती और किनारा तेरी सांसें मेरी दुनिया जो भी मेरा सब कुछ तेरा तेरी सांसें तेरी सांसें मेरी दुनिया जो भी मेरा सब कुछ तेरा तू देख तो चमके किस्मत तेरी रहमत मेरी जन्नत तू देखे तो चमके किस्मत तेरी रहमत मेरी जन्नत आंखों का जियारा मेरे तेरा साया मोरिया हे लंबोदर गजमुख मेरे मोरिया मेरे मालिक मौला मेरे मोरिया कैसे रे रे गुण को गाऊं तुझ बिना बतौरे रे बाऊं कैसे तेरे गुण को गाऊं तुझ बिना अब तो रहने पाऊं जो स्वाद क्या मेरे मोरिया मेरा मालिक मौला मेरे मोरिया मेरा मोदर गजमुख मेरे मोरिया मेरा मालिक मौला मेरे मोरिया थैंक यू
That was really amazing, Aniruddha. And it is really a difficult song, and you must have put in so much effort to get this ready. Very well performed. Now we have Siddharth yet again. You have heard him sing, now see him dance. And Siddharth is so passionate about dancing. He is going to dance on the tunes of Gajanana Gajananam.
Ganpati Bappa Moria.
Well done, Siddharth. It was such a super performance. We were all tapping our toes too. It was an excellent performance. Thank you so much. Next, we have Advait. He is here to give us a very good mantra to follow in these stressful times. He is going to sing Deva Kaji Re, and he's going to ask you to leave all your troubles in the hands of the compassionate and merciful Bappa, who's always there to take care of our troubles and worries.
नमस्कार माझे नाव अद्वैत मयतानाम आहे मी तुमच्यासमोर देवाकार्ये गाणं सादर आहे होणार होताना जाणार जाताना मागे तू फेरू नको जुग्याक सांगू नका की संगत खोट्या की जाऊ नको येईल दिवस तुझा आणि मानाचा जिगार सोडू नको तुझ्या हातीचा दावसा इशारा काळजी देवा काळजी ये माझ्या देवा काळजी ये देवा काळजी ये माझ्या देवा काळजी ये होणार होताना जाणार जाताना मागे तू फेरू नको जुगक सांगू नका की संगत खोट्या की धरू नको येईल दिवाचा तुझा आणि मानाचा जिगार सोडू नको तुझ्या हातीचा दावसा इशारा काळजी देवा काळजी ये माझ्या देवा काळजी ये धन्यवाद.
Excellent, Advait. Very, very nicely sung. Advait is a very helpful and hardworking student, and he also excels at making chocolates and also runs a small business of it. Now we have Kunal again. This time, our rock star Kunal is going to amaze us with his dance on the song Jai Malhar. Wow, Kunal, that was such an amazing performance. You have just added so much energy to the evening with your splendid performance. Now, moving on, we have Aryan Ghosh. He is going to sing with his sweet little voice. He's going to sing Sukha Karta Dukha Harta with his mother. But before that, let us see this cute little drawing that has made for Ganpati Bappa. And he is doing a very thoughtful thing. For Bappa's journey home, he is offering his favorite car for Bappa to take a ride.
शंकर जी का डमरू बाजे, पार्वती का नंदन नाचे। शंकर जी का डमरू बाजे, पार्वती का नंदन नाचे। बर्फीले कैलाश शिखर पर जय गणेश की धूम। अजय हो, अजय हो, अजय हो, अजय हो, अजय हो। शंकर जी का डमरू बाजे, पार्वती का नंदन नाचे। बर्फीले कैलाश शिखर पर जय गणेश की धूम।
सुख हरता दुख हरता वाचा विघ्नाची हो वाचा विघ्नाची पूर्वी पूर्वी प्रेम पाजनाची सर्वांगी सुंदर कृती सिंधुराची हो सिंधुराची कणके झलके भार मुक्ता फलाची जय 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 मोती जय जय जय
Wasn't that just amazing? That was a beautiful performance, and I'm sure you must have melted Bappa's heart with your cute little Jaydev and Jaydev. So now we have Darsh once again on the keyboard to entertain us all with the tune of Deva Shri Ganesha. Wow, that was such a nice performance, Darsh. It was a real pleasure to hear you on the keyboard. All the best. Okay, now we have Srinidhi Kulkarni. Srinidhi Kulkarni is going to sing a bhajan, and the best part is that he is going to do it with his entire family. So let's look at it. That was so amazing. And I would really congratulate the entire Kulkarni family for creating this amazing experience together. And it really goes a long way to show how much the right kind of support and encouragement from the family can do wonders to the confidence of the child. So I'm sure all of us in our own ways are encouraging our children to attain their fullest potential. That was really nice. Okay, so with that, we have come to the last event of the evening. We have Vivek. He is going to play the tune of Raghupati Raghav Rajaram on his keyboard. That was very nice and soothing, Vivek. It was a very nice performance. And with that, yes, we have come to the end of our splendid evening together. I would really like to thank and congratulate all the participants of today's evening. They have done a splendid job. Thank you to their families, their parents who have been such a support for them throughout of this. Thank you so much for participating and making Kalavishkar such a success. I'm sure that all these performances have left us wanting for more. But we'll have to end here. But I'm sure very soon we'll come up with another program to showcase the talents of so many of our stars. Thank you so much, everyone who have been patiently watching us and enjoying this show. Thank you for all your encouraging words and compliments that you've been sending. Thanks a lot. And keep your support with Rajam Foundation and all of its youngsters and children and parents. Thanks a lot.